Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss about a gorgeous flowering plant in which flower blooms in every season and not only in one particular season, which is crepe jasmine, and in Bengali we call it togor. Now I will show you all how to grow this plant easily from the cuttings. For that, I am cutting some of the stems from an already mature plant which I had only planted 2 years ago. This flowering plant forms a moderately dense, round and evergreen shrub. Now I am cutting the stem at the angle of 45 because cutting the stem at this angle rather than the straight across allows for a great surface area and an increase in water uptake. So now I got these 4 cuttings from the mature plant, and now I will show you all the process of growing these cuttings to mature plant. Then I will just peel out the outer covering of the stem, not very deeply, just slightly for planting the cuttings. After this, I am taking the root hormone powder. Then I will take the cutting and dip it in the root hormone powder. When a rooting hormone is used correctly, it causes a plant cutting to develop roots quickly and be more robust than cuttings that don't. So you can see one by one I am dipping all the cuttings in the root hormone powder. Then I will take a plastic glass full of sand and plant the cuttings in it. Then I will apply fungicide powder on the tip of the cuttings so that fungus doesn't attack the stems. Now I will show you the result of after 15 days. You can see small leaves have started growing, which means that my efforts got success. So now it's time for repotting these cuttings so that they can grow into beautiful flowering plants. For this, I am taking 50% of garden soil and 50% of sand and then mix it nicely. For further details of soil preparation, you can watch the soil preparation video by clicking on the I button. Now, the second stage for growing this cutting, I will take a growing bag and fold it according to the size of the cuttings so that it can grow nicely. Then I will fill the growing bag with the soil mix. After filling with the soil mix in the growing bag, I will press the soil mix nicely for planting the cuttings. After that, I will slowly pull out the cuttings so that the roots doesn't get harmed if pulled out forcefully. Now you can see small roots have started growing. So now it's the perfect time for repotting. Then I will make a hole of 2 inches depth and plant the cuttings carefully and then press the soil nicely so that it can fix it in its place. Then at last I will water it and wait for it to become a healthy mature plant. It's a fact that this flowering plant loves sunlight, and they can thrive very well in the full sun or in the partial shade conditions also. Hence, by this way, you all can grow this flowering plant from the cuttings easily at your home. So, if you all like my video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.